Hi children, good morning. 4th class EVS. Our another new lesson is about our body. It is our 12th lesson. So our body, it acts like a machine. Yes or no? We can move, sing, think, see, hear, smell, and do many things with the help of our body. And our body is made up of many parts, and all these parts of our body work together, and each part has its own function. Then how is our body made up of? See, human body, it is have the smallest units that are called as the cells. ఇలా చాలా చిన్న parts ఉంటాయి నాన్న. These are called as the cells, and these cells together form the tissues. ఈ cells అన్ని కలిపితే ఏమవుతుంది? Tissues. Then all these tissues are joined together form an organ, and all the organs together form an organ system, and all organ systems together make our body. Understood children? First, our body is made up of with very smallest part, that is called as cells. All cells together form the tissues. Tissues together form the organs. Organs together form the organ system, and all organs together form the human body. So we learned that all organ systems together form our body. So all the body systems, so there are different body systems in our body. Each system has its own function. First we will learn about the skeletal system. So skeletal system, it is a framework of bones. Okay, and this is called as a skeleton, and this consists of bones and joints and connecting tissues called as ligaments and tendons. These all form the skeletal system. And the bones, what is the use of the skeleton system? It gives shape to our body, and it also protect the internal organs. లోపల ఉన్న ఆర్గన్స్ ని ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ చూసారనుకోండి, ఇంటర్నల్ ఆర్గన్స్ ఇక్కడ ఏముంటాయి? హార్ట్, లంగ్స్, all this will be protected by the skeletal system. So in a newly born baby, how many bones will be? 300. And the adults, we have nearly how many bones nana in our body? 206 bones. Next, about the muscular system. Muscular system means it is made up of muscles, and this system is closely connected with the skeletal system, and muscular system only makes help in movement of the human body. And nearly 650 muscles are in our human body, and this make almost half of a person's body weight. Children, the smallest bone and the smallest muscle are found in the middle ear. అన్నిటికన్నా చిన్న బోన్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుందన్న? మిడిల్ ఇయర్ లో. ఓకే, now next system is digestive system. Digestive system, how it is helpful means the food we eat will be digested in this system, and it gives the energy. The digested food gives the energy. And what is digestion? The breaking down of the food into simple forms. Okay, మనం తీసుకునే ఫుడ్ ని సింపుల్ ఫార్మ్స్ లో బ్రేక్ చేసి ప్రాసెస్ ని ఏమంటారు? డైజెషన్. సో how does the digestion process helps means, see, these are the parts of the digestive system. This is mouth, food pipe, liver, stomach, pancreas. This is large intestine, and this is small intestine, and this is anus. Okay children, the food we eat, first what we do, we take directly into the mouth. In our mouth we have water like substance, that is called as saliva. Okay, that is called as saliva. మనం నోట్లోకి తీసుకున్న ఫుడ్ సలైవాతో కలిసిపోతుంది. And what we do, we chew the food. ఎసాను, we chew the food and we swallow, అంటే మింగేస్తాం. ఆ తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది? ఆ ఫుడ్ అనేది ఫుడ్ పైప్ నుండి స్టమక్ లోకి ఎంటర్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. Okay, and in the stomach what happens? Again the food will be mixed with several digestive juices. మళ్ళీ స్టమక్ లో కొన్ని డైజెస్టివ్ జ్యూసెస్ ఉంటాయి నాన్న, అవన్నీ ఆ ఫుడ్ తో కలిసి ఆ ఫుడ్ ని ఇంకా చిన్న పీసెస్ లోకి బ్రేక్ చేస్తుంది. అక్కడ నుంచి వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్? ఫ్రమ్ ద స్టమక్ ద ఫుడ్ విల్ బి ఎంటర్డ్ ఇన్ టు ద స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్, అండ్ ఇన్ ద స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్ when it enters into the small intestine, here you have pancreas no nana. ఈ pancreas నుంచి అండ్ లివర్ నుంచి కొన్ని డైజెస్టివ్ జ్యూసెస్ స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్లోకి వెళ్ళి ఆ ఫుడ్ని మొత్తానికి కంప్లీట్గా డైజెస్ట్ చేసేస్తుంది అనమాట. అక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ ఫుడ్ మొత్తం కంప్లీట్గా డైజెషన్ అయిన తర్వాత ద యూస్ఫుల్ మెటీరియల్ విల్ బి అబ్జర్వ్డ్ బై ద స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్ అండ్ వేస్ట్ మెటీరియల్స్ విల్ బి సెంట్ ఇన్ టు ద large intestine, and from large intestine it will be excreted out through the anus. Okay, this is about our digestive system beta. Now about the respiratory system. Why this respiratory system is useful? See, when you breathe air, yes or no, it enters into the mouth, and from the mouth it enters into the windpipe. This is called as the windpipe. Okay, from the windpipe it enters into the lungs. Okay, the whatever the air we take in, it have the oxygen. Okay, it has oxygen. The air, after taking into the lungs, it takes the oxygen and gives out the రిమైనింగ్ ఎయిర్ అవుట్ సైడ్ దట్ హ్యావ్ ద కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్. మనం తీసుకున్న ఎయిర్ని లంగ్స్ తీసుకొని అందులో ఉన్న ఆక్సిజన్ని అబ్జార్బ్ చేసుకొని మిగతా ఎయిర్ని బయటకు పంపిస్తుంది. మిగతా ఏదైతే బయటకు పంపించే ఎయిర్ ఉంటుందో దాంట్లో కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ఉంటుందన్న. కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ యూస్ఫుల్ టు అవర్ హ్యూమన్ బాడీ, ఓన్లీ ఆక్సిజన్ ఈజ్ యూస్ఫుల్. It goes into our blood and is taken to all parts of our body. Next is about the circulatory system. Circulatory system, see, when you put your hand on the left side of the chest, we feel the beating of heart. Yes or no? The heart pumps. Heart works like a pump. Always it works like a pump, and it pumps blood to all the parts of the body. Okay, blood ni anni parts of the body ki pampistundi. So what are the parts in this circulatory system? Heart, blood and blood vessels. Blood vessels means the parts which carry the blood to all the parts of our body. And in this you can find this red color and blue color, no? So these red color blood vessels are called as arteries. So these arteries, they carry pure blood from the heart to different parts of our body, and these blue colored blood vessels are called as veins. So what is the main function of the veins? మన బాడీలో ఎక్కడైతే ఇంప్యూర్ బ్లడ్ ఉంటుందో ఆ ఇంప్యూర్ బ్లడ్ని మొత్తం మళ్ళీ హార్ట్కి తీసుకెళ్ళి అక్కడ మళ్ళీ ప్యూరిఫై అయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ రెడ్ కలర్ ఆర్టరీస్తోని మళ్ళీ అన్ని పార్ట్స్కి సప్లై అవుతుంది బ్లడ్. అండర్స్టూడ్ చిల్డ్రన్? దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ అవర్ సర్క్యులేటరీ సిస్టమ్. Now about the nervous system. What does the nervous system consist of? It consists of brain, spinal cord and nerves. And naralu antaru chudandi, that all comes under the nervous system. And these nerves help the body to receive signals from the sense organs, muscles and bones etc. and send them to the brain. And the brain ఇనిషియేట్స్ ద యాక్షన్స్ అండ్ రెస్పాన్సెస్. మనం ఏం చేయాలన్నా ఫస్ట్ మన బ్రెయిన్ నుంచి మనకు మెసేజ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాతనే మనం ఆ పార్ట్స్ ఆ ఫంక్షన్స్ని చేయగలుగుతాం నాన్న. నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ ద ఎక్స్క్రీటరీ సిస్టమ్. హియర్ యూ కెన్ సీ ద బీన్ షేప్డ్ లైక్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్. దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ద కిడ్నీ. సో blood will be passed from these kidneys. For the body to work efficiently, the waste from the body has to be removed regularly. మన బాడీలో ఫామ్ అయిన వేస్ట్ని ఎప్పటికప్పుడు రిమూవ్ చేస్తేనే మన బాడీ ఫంక్షన్ అనేది ప్రాపర్గా జరుగుతుంది. మరి ఆ వేస్ట్ ఎలా బయటకు పోతుంది అంటే త్రూ ద ఎక్స్క్రీటరీ సిస్టమ్. అండ్ దిస్ ద కిడ్నీస్ దే త్రో అవుట్ ద వేస్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ బాడీ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ యూరిన్. అండ్ ద లంగ్స్ సెండ్ అవుట్ కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ వెన్ we breathe out the air. And the skin also helps in throwing the waste materials from our body in the form of sweat, chemta rupamlo. Okay, next is the reproductive system. Reproduction means ability of producing the child of their own kind, that is called as the reproductive system. So these organs, some parts of the men and women help in the process of the reproductive system. And it is because of the reproductive system that parents can have cute children like you. Okay, this is our lesson, Nana. With this we complete our lesson reading. Define an organ. Tissues join together to make an organ. Second question, what makes up the skeletal system? So these questions are given in your page number 169. For your easy comfort, I wrote here again. What makes up the skeletal system? Answer from here. The bones, joints and connecting tissues are ligaments and tendons of the body make up the skeletal system. And the third question is, what is the function of the digestive system? Name the organs involved. Digestion is the function of the digestive system. Mouth, food pipe, stomach, small and large intestine, pancreas and liver are the organs involved in digestion. Now fourth question, how are muscles useful to us? Muscular system is responsible for the movement of the human body. Next, fifth question, which organ pumps blood to all parts of the body? Answer, the heart pumps blood to different parts of the body. Okay. Now sixth question, which system helps the body to get rid of waste materials? For what are the organs involved in this process? Answer, the excretory system helps the body to get rid of waste materials. The lungs, kidneys and skin are involved in this process. Okay, these are our question answers of this lesson. Now in the next page 170 we have bits here. First one, fill in the blanks. Tissues join together to make an organ. The air we take in has oxygen. The heart, blood and the blood vessels form the circulatory system. The brain, nerves and the spinal cord form the nervous system. The kidneys throw out the waste in the form of urine. Now correct the following statements by changing the underlined words. The human body is made up of tissues. It is made up of cells. The muscles of the body make up the skeleton. What will be present in the skeleton? Muscles? No. Answer is bones. The lungs work like a pump. No. Heart it is. The body has two bean-shaped lungs. Kidneys. The skin lets out waste as oxygen. Sweat. And what are these? Match the following, Nana. This is the respiratory system, lungs. And this is heart, no? It belongs to the circulatory system. Brain belongs to the nervous system. Kidneys belongs to the excretory system. Skull belongs to the skeletal system. Stomach, it belongs to the digestive system. And here match the systems to their functions. Muscular system, movement of the body parts. F. Digestive system, digestion of food. A. Nervous system, option E, controlling all body parts. Respiratory system, taking in oxygen. G. Excretory system, throwing out waste from the body. Option D. Circulatory system, pumping blood to all parts of the body. Option C. Reproductive system, option B, producing children. Now choose and write the correct option. The number of bones in an adult body is 206. The number of muscles in our body is 650. The smallest unit of human body is cell. Option C. Dash helps to produce energy. Option A, oxygen. Our heart is situated at the left side of the chest. Option C. Okay children, this is our lesson reading and notes. Complete these notes and go through the lesson reading. Have a nice day children.